Hi, I'm Tracy. I'm with TierraCast, and I'm here visiting at Art Beads, and I'm going to show you how to make this necklace that uses some of the components from our Botanical Birds collection. To make this necklace, we're going to use one of our Botanical Birds links, our Botanical Branches links, a toggle clasp, a twisted spacer, 6 6mm check glass beads, a 6mm round jump ring, 2 small oval jump rings, some 20 gauge craft wire, and I've cut 6 small pieces, and 10 inches of chain, which I've cut into 2 5-inch pieces. The first thing I'm going to do is make some links using the little beads and the craft wire. To do this, I'm just going to make a simple loop at one end of the bead, string the bead, and make a second simple loop at the other side. I'm going to straighten my loops so they're aligned and nice and tidy, and then I'm going to repeat that with the other beads. I have my 6 links created, and now I'm going to start building the focal area of the necklace. And to do that, I'm just going to attach one of these links to one of the branch links and attach a second one at the other side. And then I'm going to attach another link at the other side of one of those bead links. And I do want to pay attention to make sure that the branch links are facing the same direction. And then I'm going to repeat that with 2 more of the links and the bead links. Now I'm going to use the last 2 bead links to attach this spacer at the center of the bracelet, of the necklace. Now I'm going to use the 6mm round jump ring to attach the pendant to the spacer. Now at one side of the necklace, I'll open a loop on one side of the bead links to attach a piece of the chain. And repeat that on the other side. And the last thing we have to do is attach the toggle components. And I'll use these small oval jump rings to attach to each end of the chain to do that. And there you have it. It's a pretty quick and easy design. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.